Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your Mac and controller are ready. Confirm Mac OS 11 or newer because that provides native Xbox support, otherwise install drivers. Charge the controller or use new batteries so pairing won't fail mid-process. Power the controller off, then open System Settings and select Bluetooth so you can see devices appear. Once done, you're positioned to enter pairing mode. Next step is to make the controller discoverable and connect it via Bluetooth or a USB cable. Now connect the controller either wirelessly or with a cable. For Bluetooth, press and hold the Xbox button and the small pair button until the ring blinks rapidly. That makes the controller discoverable. On your Mac, select Xbox wireless controller from the Bluetooth list and click Connect. Alternatively, plug a USB-C cable directly between controller and Mac. Wired connections usually connect immediately and reduce latency. Make sure any adapter or hub supports data transfer, not just charging, because otherwise the Mac won't detect. Finish by verifying the controller works in a game or the game controller settings. Map buttons if needed. If it doesn't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your Mac and controller, and try a high-quality cable or different USB port. Make sure no other device is blocking pairing by turning off nearby controllers. Only install third-party drivers if native support fails, since drivers can cause conflicts. One key tip: if Bluetooth pairing repeatedly times out, remove old pairings from Bluetooth settings, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.